In this video, I'll show you how you can downgrade WordPress plugin to an older version. Go to plugins and then click on add new. Here search for WP rollback. And this is the plugin we are gonna install. Just click on install now and activate. After that, you will see a new option, rollback. So this rollback option comes from the WP rollback plugin. So let's say I'm going to downgrade the WP total cache plugin. So just click on rollback. Now here you will see all of the version of WP total cache. So let's say I'm going to this version. Just click on that, and then on the bottom click on rollback. Click on rollback. Now it's downloading. Plugin updated. Now let's go to our plugins. And here you go. So here you can see there is a new version of WP total cache. So we have successfully downgraded the WP total cache plugin. So you can downgrade any of plugin. So that's how you can downgrade WordPress plugin to an older version. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.